Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Crispy on the outside, tender and flavorful on the inside, these Goan fish croquettes are perfect for a snack or as an appetizer. If you're a seafood lover or just looking to try something new, this recipe is sure to be a hit. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing with you a detailed step-by-step recipe for Goan fish croquettes. Made with fresh mackerels, select spices, and a nice crispy coating, these croquettes are a delightful treat for seafood lovers. I'll also share some helpful tips to ensure they turn out perfectly golden brown and delicious every time. So let's get cooking now and prepare these irresistible Goan fish croquettes. Step 1. Preparing the fish. Take 8 medium-sized mackerels or bangras. You can also use tuna fish. Clean and wash the mackerels properly. To learn how to clean mackerels, refer to step 1 of our simple and easy Goan fish curry recipe. The link is provided in the description box and also appearing on the top right-hand corner of your screen now. Instead of using the whole fish, we will use only the lower meaty portion of the fish and save the head portion to make some fish curry. After cleaning and cutting the fish and keeping the heads aside, the remaining fish weighed around 500 grams. Fish is ready for cooking. Step 2. Cooking the fish. Take 1-inch stick of cinnamon, 6 cloves, 12 black peppercorns, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt. On medium-low heat in an open thick bottom pan, add the mackerels one by one. Add the vinegar. Add the salt. Add the black peppercorns. Ensure all the spices are evenly spread and come in contact with the liquid. Break the cinnamon sticks and add. Also add the cloves. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Do not add water while cooking as the fish will cook in its own liquid. Cover and cook for around 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 to 5 minutes, turn the fish and cook the other side for another 4 to 5 minutes. Ensure both the sides are nicely cooked. Check in between and if required, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to prevent it from sticking to the pan. We added around 2 tablespoons or 30 ml of water as the fish liquid was drying out. Cook until most of the liquid dries out. After around 4 to 5 minutes, mackerels are cooked. Turn the heat off and set it aside to cool. Debone the mackerels. Remove all the bones, including the small ones on the sides of the fish. Once done, shred the fish into smaller pieces. Discard the bones and all the whole spices. Shredded fish is ready and now weighs around 350 grams. Step 3. Preparing the other ingredients. Take 1 medium-sized potato, weighing around 150 grams. Wash and boil the potato. While the potato is still hot, remove and discard the skin and place the potato in a bowl. Mash it using a fork or a potato masher while it is still warm. Make sure there are no lumps or hard pieces of potato remaining. Mashed potato is ready. Take 2 medium-sized onions. Cut them very fine. Take 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Cut them fine. Take 2 medium-sized green chilies. Cut them fine. Take half cup of finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. Take 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Half teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Half teaspoon of salt. 1 egg. Step 4. Preparing the fish mixture. On medium-low heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely cut onions. Stir everything nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Once the onions turn translucent, add the ginger garlic paste. Stir everything properly. Add the finely cut green chilies. Add the cumin or jeera powder. Add the black pepper powder. Add the tomatoes. Stir everything nicely. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Add around 2 tablespoons or 30 ml of water to soften the tomatoes faster. Once the tomatoes are fully mashed, add the shredded fish. If using canned fish, then add around 350 grams of canned fish.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Add the Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix everything nicely. Add the salt. Add the finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. Mix everything properly. Add the vinegar. Check for salt, vinegar, spice and add if required. Once done, turn the heat off, set it aside and let it cool. Our fish mixture is ready. Step 5. Preparing the fish croquettes. Fish mixture after it has cooled down. Give it a good stir. Add the mashed potato. Mix everything nicely with your hand. Potato is added to bind the fish mixture properly. Check for salt and add if required. We added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add the egg yolk and save the white part of the egg to use later. Mix everything properly. Fish mixture can be kept in the refrigerator for a few hours or made into croquettes immediately. Grease the palm of your hand with a little cooking oil. This will prevent the batter from sticking to your hand. Take a lemon-sized portion of the fish mixture. Press it together to form a cylindrical shape like I have shown. Then shape them in the form of a croquette. Similarly, prepare the remaining croquettes. In a bowl, add the egg white which was kept aside. Break another egg. Carefully separate the yolk from the egg white. Add the egg white in the bowl. Save the yolk in another bowl. Add 1 pinch of salt. Then whisk the egg whites. In a plate, take 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. You can also use corn flour. Spread it evenly. In another plate, add 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs and 1/4 cup of semolina or rava for coating. Mix them nicely and spread it evenly. Take 1 croquette and place it in the flour. Roll and coat on all the sides. Remove any excess flour. If you leave excess flour, your coating will become thicker. Now dip the croquette in the egg mixture and remove it using a fork. Drain out any excess egg liquid from the croquette. Roll and coat it on all the sides. Maida will give you a slightly thicker coating, whereas corn flour will give you a thinner, crispier coating. You can skip the process of coating with flour and just dip the croquettes in egg and roll them in a mixture of breadcrumbs and semolina. It depends on your choice. Shape it properly and ensure there are no cracks. Similarly, prepare the remaining croquettes. Keep all the croquettes ready before frying. Croquettes can be kept in the refrigerator for a few hours or also fried immediately. Step 6. Frying the fish croquettes. On medium-low heat in an open, heavy-bottom pan, take sufficient cooking oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the croquettes one at a time. Fry few croquettes at a time. Do not overcrowd the pan. These croquettes fry quickly, hence be careful not to overfry or burn them. Once golden brown, remove the croquettes and place them in a strainer or use paper napkins to soak the excess oil. Similarly, fry the remaining croquettes. Serve the croquettes hot with tomato ketchup or any other dipping sauce of your choice. Delicious fish croquettes are ready. Do share this recipe with your friends and family members and let them also enjoy these delicious fish croquettes.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.